treason for 150 years. Today, let's put it on trial using science. Long ago, Thomas Edison hid a dirty secret inside his most famous invention. A secret that still controls your home today. Discover the untold physics story your electric bill fears to reveal. Imagine a world with no wires, no sockets, just raw electron magic from thin air. What seems like magic is truly a con artist's trick. All lights are secretly deceiving us. We'll take a 12mm journey through light's evolution. This exploration hides such elegant physics, it could change your view of reality. Throughout history, discoveries like mercury bulbs were banned, and LEDs pushed forth, hiding shocking truths. It's time to unveil the evidence mainstream science wants to ignore. Now, can water light a bulb? Let's find out. We use lights over 100,000 times in our lives. Yet, 99% of us don't understand how electron collisions create visible light. This hidden science has remained unexplained. Let's start with incandescent bulbs. They're original. A tiny wire inside can reach 2500 degrees Celsius. When electricity flows, this wire glows fiercely, emitting light through intense heat. Next, fluorescent tubes. More complex than they appear, they operate using a 4-step process. An electron gun emits purple beams that collide with mercury vapor, producing UV light. Then, phosphor does its magic, converting UV light into visible light. Ever compared a naked UV tube with a phosphor-coated one? The coated one glows brightly, while the naked version remains dull. Wonder why fluorescent tubes twist? Their clever shape increases efficiency, allowing you to receive more lumens per watt. Now, let's explore LED lights. Operating with semiconductors, think of this simplified band diagram. Electrons in the conduction band move between energy levels. Using candy as an analogy, imagine blue M&Ms as electrons and empty spaces as holes. This whole flow leads to light production. But here's something incredible. LED lights turn on instantly. It's often misunderstood that electricity flows at light speed. In reality, electron drift velocity is much slower. Ready for a surprising experiment? Can you light a bulb without wires? Watch this fluorescent tube glow near a Tesla coil. This occurs through atmospheric ionization. In summary, incandescent bulbs generate light through heat, fluorescence through a multi-step process, and LEDs with semiconductors. Each method creates light uniquely and impressively. For more enlightening updates, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.